fun with music.
This is the first lesson in term 2 English Standard 2.
Light, curtain, speaker, drums, guitar, stage, tabla, mic, screen, violin, flute, veena, trumpet, shakers.
Five little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. Five little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. The second one said, ring me fast. The second one said, ring me fast. The third one said, ring me soft. The third one said, ring me soft. The fourth one said, ring me loud. The fourth one said, ring me loud. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once, all at once.
Money's drum.
Money is excited today. The teacher has a big surprise.
We are going to play in the concert next week. Won't it be fun?
Yes, it will be great fun.
Okay, we shall start. Bring your shakers and drums or whatever you have tomorrow.
Money loved to play the drums. Money really wanted to play the drums.
Mom, can you buy me a drum?
I will try, Money.
Mom did not have money to buy the drum. She gave Money two nice sticks. Money played with the sticks. Money drummed on anything he found.
Let us start. Money, where is your drum?
I don't have a drum. I only have the sticks.
Abu played the violin. Malar followed Abu with her keyboard. The heads in the class moved to the tune soon. Lisa played her shakers. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. But did it sound right? Suddenly they heard ta-da-da-da-dum, dum, ta-da-da-dum. It was Money with his sticks and a few boxes. The teacher loved the sound. The children clapped to the beat. Abu, Malar, and Lisa followed the beat. The entire class danced to the song. Everyone clapped. Class 2 was ready for the concert. It was so much fun.
Tick the correct word. Here they have given an instrument and two options, So you need to teach your child what instrument it is and then ask them to choose the correct answer. So you have first one is violin or veena. Answer is violin. Second one is keyboard or guitar. Answer is keyboard. Last one is flute or shakers. Answer is shakers. The next is listen and number the sequence. So this is chosen from the story. So your child needs to sequence it in the correct order. So first one is we are going to play in the concert. Second is mom, can you buy me a drum? Third is I have only the sticks. Fourth, the teacher loved the sound. Fifth, everyone claps. Here we have choose the correct options. So A, Mani's mother gave him sticks. B, Abu played the violin. C, Mani used boxes as drums. D, class 2 was ready for the concert. E, I am. You need to make your child say or write his or her name, and I like to play. Which instrument they like to play, you have to write it down.
Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. For example, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. These three sentences describe Mr. Mohanlal. Instead of repeating his name, we can use the pronoun he. We can thus say, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. You can also come in the telling part. I, he, she, and it are used for singular nouns, whereas we and they are used for plural nouns. For example, the village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, it is an important game. You must play as a team. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? The words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. For example, he is my father. I adore him. The words me, him, her, and it are used for singular nouns, whereas us and them are used for plural nouns. For example, Nikki has a pet. It is a dog. They are my grandparents. I help them. You is used for both singular and plural nouns in any part of a sentence. You are my best friend. I like to play with you. You are my parents. I am proud of you.
Okay, we have already seen the video of pronoun. Here are some examples for pronouns. Okay, the first one is, that is Nila. She is my sister. So instead of Nila, we are using she. So for a girl, we always use pronoun she. Next is, that is Raju. He is my brother. So instead of Raju, we have used he. So for boys, we use the pronoun as he. Coming down, that is a belt. It is my belt. So instead of belt, we have used it. So it is a pronoun we usually use for things and animals. What do you say for two girls? So when we see more than one, we say they are girls. So if we are going to point out to somebody else who is in front of us and the number is more than 2, then we say they. Maybe it is boys or girls, it doesn't matter. We are going to say they. Okay, here we have a read aloud. So previously I've already explained, if it is a boy, we use he as a pronoun, and if it is a girl, we use she, and if it is things or an animal, then we use it. So here we have, first is boy, we say he. Then second, it's a picture of girl, we say she. Then we have a table, we say it, and a dog, we say it. Now fill in the blanks with he, she, it. So first let the child see the picture and identify the picture whether it is a girl or a boy, and then if it is a girl, then it becomes she. If it is a boy, then it is a he. So she likes apple. Then he has a ball. Then there is a box. So it is a box. Then we have a teacher. So she is a teacher. Then is a coconut tree. It is a tall tree. Then a boy with the dog. So he has a dog. The next one is fill in the missing letter. We have already filled it in. So make your child study the same. Okay, here there are more activities. The first one is, if you can say, there are more than one items. So when there are more than one thing, we are going to use are. So there are 2 pencils. There are 3 drums. There are 4 boys. There are 5 books. There are 6 pens. There are 10 dogs. So whenever we have more than one item or things, we are using are to form the sentence. Next we have complete the sentences. So here they have given some clues. Accordingly we have to complete the sentences. So there dash 4 pencils in my bag. There are 4 pencils in my bag. Next one is dash dash 2 pencils in my bag. There are 2 pencils in my bag. Next dash 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 toys in my bag. There are 3 toys in my bag. The last one is dash 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 books dash my bag. There are 5 books in my bag. Now we are going to move on to long I sound. So for here they have given some examples. Cry, fly, pie, tie, kite, bike. So again there are more down here. My, dry, fry, shy, sky, try, die, lie, pie, tie, fine, mine, hide, line, mice, rise, lime. Now here we have listen and circle the words with the long I sound. The kite flies in the sky. So here we have 3 long I sounds. One is kite, one is flies, one is sky. The second one is I ride my bike by the side. So ride, bike, side. The next one is Mike and Nike like pineapples. Mike, Nike, like. The mice try to bite the pie. Mice bite pie. I like lime rice. Like lime rice. Draw a fine line. Fine line. Here we have add E and write the words. Okay. So first is kit. So you add E, it becomes kite. Then you have bit, you add E, it becomes bite. You have pin, you add E, it becomes pine. We have rid, you add E, it becomes a ride. Then we have hid, you add E, it becomes hide. We have fin, you add E, it becomes fine. And we have some more, fill in the missing letter. So the first one is P-I-E, pie. Second is T-I-E, tie. Third is K-I-T-E, kite. Fourth is C-R-Y, cry. Next is B-I-K-E, bike. The last is F-L-Y, fly. The next match and take the correct one. So we have to match the sticks to the proper instrument, a musical instrument. The answer is the drum. Now here there is one small story. One bun runs. There is a plate of buns. One bun jumps off the plate. The pig runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. The rat runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. The goat runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. The pup jumps to catch it, but the bun runs away. The frog hops to catch it, but the bun runs away. The fox does not run. The bun stops. The fox jumps on it, and the fox eats the bun. Okay, here they have given some animals, and the child has to write the name of the animals. Either write or point or say orally, whatever the child can do. So the first one is the fox, second one is the frog, third is the pup, then we have goat, pig and rat. Then match the actions with the animals. These actions are based on the story which was previously told. So pig runs, frog hops, and pup jumps. Okay. Next, tick yes or no. The bun jumps off the plate. Yes. The rat eats the bun. No. The fox eats the bun. Yes. Here we have more of the book back exercises. Tick the correct names of the picture. Again, you need to make your child see the picture and choose the correct answer. So the first one is the picture of drum. Second one is a guitar. Third one is the flute. Fourth one is the veena. Now next we have match the rhyming words. So buy, my, bike, hike, pie, die, kite, sight, mice, dice. Then we have more of pronouns. Dash is Nina. So because she's it's a picture of a girl, we are going to use she. So she is Nina. Dash is a box. So box is a thing. So we are going to use it. So it is a box. Then we have a boy playing the cricket. Now he has a bat because for a boy we use pronoun as he. Then again we have a picture of a boy. Dash is Amir. He is Amir. Next is the girl is eating an apple. So for girl we say she. She eats an apple and the girl is singing a song. So she sings a song. Okay, here there is a very small story. If your child is able to read it, make the child read, or you can read it for the child and ask them small questions and make them understand the story. So here two baby birds live in a nest with their mother. At first they both eat small worms. Then they both play to have fun. Soon both fly away after a month. Now more of the grammar part. So here they have given us some pairs. Okay, these are all long I sounding words. We have to pick the odd one. So fly, sky, tie, lie, side, tide, shy, tail. So shy tail is not a long I sounding words. So that is the odd pair. Again, rice made, my, buy, cry, fry. Rice made. It is not a proper pair. Then last is line fine, die tape, name tide, mine lime. So die tape, name tide is not the proper pair. The last one is fill in the blanks using are. There are 3 apples. There are 2 bananas. There are 4 oranges. So you can make your child count the number of fruits.